Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I have not been uploading any videos. I had some emergency matters I had to handle. And I want to thank everybody that subscribed to my YouTube channel. And if I have new peoples that's watching my YouTube channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. And make sure you guys press that like button and please leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell so you guys can be updated on all my delicious recipes. So with all that said and done, let's jump right into this soul food meal that I am about to make. So here I have some northern beans and smoked turkey meat that I'm going to let cook for about 2 hours. This chicken that I'm seasoning up right here is going to go into the oven. I'm going to be making barbecue chicken out the oven. I'm not a big fan of barbecue meat off the grill, but I do love barbecuing. So I'm going to be adding my favorite soul food seasoning. Leave me a comment below, you guys, if you like your barbecue meat in the oven or do you prefer it on the grill. So I'm going to be combining all my seasoning to this good old chicken. Then I'm going to give me a cup of water, just a 1/4 cup. I prefer that amount because I don't want too much water in my pan. Then I'm going to go and cover my pan with some aluminum foil. Then I'm going to place my pan into the oven. Then I'm going to turn my oven on 350. And I already had my oven preheated. And right here, I have some corned beef. And these are the seasoning packs that came with the corned beef. And I'm going to let the corned beef cook for about 3 hours. have my green, red, and yellow bell peppers and my onions that I'm going to be putting in my cabbage. And I add the cabbage to the corned beef meat pot. And I'm going to let them cook about 20 to 30 minutes or until they get nice and tender. And here I have cornmeal that I'm going to be making with my dressing. And I have some chicken here I let boil for about an hour and a half. And I'm going to be making chicken dressing, my favorite. So I'm done mixing and whipping, and I'm gonna put my dressing in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes or until it get brown. Okay, I'm all done now, you guys. Once again, thanks for watching. Make sure you press the like button. Please leave a comment. Tell me what you guys thought and think of the meal. And do not forget to press the subscribe button. Thank you so much.